Your concrete floors may look fine today, but if left untreated, they will show signs of deterioration over time. One of the simplest, easiest ways to clean and strengthen your concrete floor is by utilizing QuestMark's Clean and Protect with your auto scrubber. QuestMark's Clean and Protect is a concentrated floor cleaner containing a lithium silicate densifier. The cleaner element keeps your floor looking great, and the densifier element keeps your floor strong and free of dusting. In order to use this product, you simply open the pre-portioned cleaner, add it to your scrubber tank, and then fill the tank with the appropriate amount of water. Next, switch on your scrubber and run it over the concrete floor you'd like to clean. Here, you can see the immediate improvement that comes from scrubbing your concrete floors with the correct cleaner. As for the long-term benefits, this is where the product's densifying properties come into play. To simulate a month of daily use with QuestMark's Clean and Protect, we ran a scrubber over this section of concrete 20 times. After that, a simple water pour test shows the difference between untreated concrete and a floor cleaned and densified with QuestMark's Clean and Protect. As you can see, a densified floor maintains a harder surface and resists stains longer than the untreated concrete. By replacing your current cleaner with QuestMark's Clean and Protect, you achieve two goals at the same time. You keep your space safe and attractive for customers and staff, and you protect your investment by strengthening your floors every time you clean them. To learn more about QuestMark flooring and our maintenance products for concrete floors, please visit us at www.questmarkflooring.com or call us at 1-800-743-8890.